Surveys are something else that you can do in Schoology Assessments. I've got two examples here. The first is a back to school survey. And the first one is just an open-ended question. What do you love learning about? Then 3 words to describe me are, they'll just fill in the blank. My favorite school subject is. My least favorite subject is. So it's just a way to get to know your students a little bit better in that first week of school. The other example is a reading interest survey. So what I did with this is I just put a list of different topics, and then they can give me a thumbs up if they really like it. Then give me a sideways thumb if they're, could go either way, or a thumbs down if they really don't like that. So that's just going to give you an idea of things that they might like to read about.